Hey everyone. So we are now into week 8. Week 8, that is just crazy. So May 11th through May 17th right now. So what you are going to be doing is, again, these are grayed out for you simply for the fact that it's my time is Friday. When you're watching this, it's Monday. But the 4 parts, like always. First part, what I want you to do today, it's kind of more like having fun, showing off your fluffy. I actually show off mine. My dogs have been with me all day. You'll see one of these, my dogs in this. You'll also see them in one of the lessons that we're doing. They're actually, if you can see them, they're literally right behind me wrestling like they always do. They just have fun with each other. But anyways, show off your fluffies in your video. You'll see mine. Um, and it'd be fun to see everyone's different fluffies. And if you don't have one, you can show off anything. It's just more of anything. It's like show and tell, is what I want you to do. Okay, and you'll have to log in with your school email. All right, the next thing, part 2 and part 3. These are 2 videos for you that I have created. Boys, shh, hey, settle down. Sorry, my dogs are going crazy. These 2 are lessons, finding the median and the mean, median, and mode, and I'll take you through working through your workbook on that. And then again, just like last week, I'm going to do the same exact thing, very similar. You are going to have 2 options. Option number 1 is doing 4 problems on page 813 and then 4 more problems on page 821. And again, what you're doing is finding the mean, median, and mode. I don't think it's really hard. My lessons might be a little bit longer this time because I went through more examples. Hopefully those will help you. I ask you to pause the video in some of those places so that you can actually work through it yourself and see if you can get the correct answer. And then after you unpause, we'll work through it together. So hopefully that will help you with learning. And then again, what you're doing is you're just submitting those 2 pages in your workbook, taking a picture of them so I can see them and submitting them to you. If for whatever reason, I know that there was some problems for some people who couldn't attach it, a couple more than one pictures. If there's an issue, always email them to me. That's totally fine. Okay, option 2, what you're doing this week is you're going through, it's the same concepts, mean, median, and mode, through Khan Academy. There's 15 different assignments. Again, you need to go through every single assignment. Do not skip the videos. I want to make sure that you are watching those. That is important. Because it helps you with doing well in those assessments. Your assessments, you need to score at least 75% or higher. And if you don't, you're going to have to go back and reattempt them. So this is why watching the videos is really important. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. But other than that, that is the week. So hope to see you guys in our Google Hangout, which again is always on Mondays from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. See you guys there.